Hello everyone, welcome back to Flame Fed Homestead. My name is Brandon. It's game day, so we're gonna make some chili cheese dip. Let's get started. Like I said, it's game day, so we're gonna make some chili cheese dip. This one is super simple. You start with some softened cream cheese, whatever your favorite brand is. We're going to take that cream cheese in our 8x8 foil pan and put the cream cheese on the bottom. From there, you're going to use a rubber scraper and you're going to spread that across the entire bottom of the pan. Try and get as even as you can across the bottom. Okay, and we're going to take Hormel chili. We do ours with beans. You can do without beans if you like. And then you're going to put the beans in there, the chili. Now that we got the chili in there, top it with some shredded cheddar cheese. And there you have it. We're going to take this out to the smoker, set to 225 degrees. We'll get it going. Out at the smoker, set to 225. There we go. Just over an hour, nice and bubbly. Let's take it inside. Bubbly and delicious. All right, chili cheese bean dip is off. Let's dig in. Chili cheese dip, perfect game day snack. Absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.